Joe, what's that?
Air cleaner. Stripping it down.
Do that.
Yeah. Stripping it down, getting ready to paint it.
Where's the car at?
I sold it.
Oh, yeah?
$250,000. see the car. Remember, the engine's no part.
Yeah, you told me.
We're going that way. Ah.
That's not a door.
Yes, it is.
That's a part.
No, not that door, this door.
Oh, I didn't see the door.
This is the car. What do you think? It's not done yet, of course, but it's getting there. This car is older than you.
No.
Older than you. Oh, that's new paint.
I'm just recalling the video that you showed me, all the rust.
Ah, a lot. A lot of rust. Yes, even the other side is done. There you go.
It's gonna be beautiful when it's done. You gonna let me test drive it?
I might.
Does it stick?
No.
Automatic?
2-speed automatic. 2-speed.
Just a top speed.
Without hurting anything?
Yeah, without hurting anything.
A little less than 50
50 what?
miles per hour. Everybody, yeah. I mean, you could do 50, 55, 60.
This thing will do probably 80 or 90.
Probably.
It'll eat gas though.
But,
In a second gear?
No, that's high gear. Second gear is high gear in these.
right. Second gear in these is equal to like fourth in a stick. What do you think, huh?
Which means fourth it'd be about going 50 miles an hour. Would be
RPMs?
At
1500.
2,000 RPM.
1500. 2000.
These only came with like a 342 rear or something like that. They weren't a high rear.
Yeah.
Or I mean a low rear.
Car's older than you?
You said that.
I got one older than you.
Yep.
Huh?
No, you got one the same age as me.
Same age as you?
Yeah. I was born in 55.
Oh, okay.
In video, it looked like you grinded these down to where they were even.
I cut them out, and
Yeah, I saw you
right,
cut them out. and
that's
you
the
put
rail.
Put new rails in them, but
No,
I thought
I didn't.
you grinded them down and smoothed them out.
No, I didn't put new rails in them. I
Or you-
patched the rails.
Yeah.
This is a unibody car. It doesn't have a frame. The
Which
frame
means
is the body.
if you get in an accident,
The frame is the body.
Yeah, just like the new ones.
This was the first unibody car made.
You gotta go back pretty far to get a car with a frame under it.
Yeah, they're all pretty
Mine's all framed.
Well, trucks are framed. Yeah.
Yeah, trucks.
What do you think?
I like it. I want to drive it.
5 years of work. Well, on the 5th year.
If you ever need any help, I'm pretty good with my hands.
Are you?
Now he tells you.
Yeah. You gonna be around Sunday?
I could be.
Okay. Because we got to push it out, gunk the engine, clean it off, blow it off, push it back in.
So much space in there.
When we get done with this engine, it's gonna.
Yeah, we're going to eventually put a big 8 in it.
There's enough
He's
room.
laughing.
Oh yeah, there is enough room.
Hey.
He's laughing.
Yeah, man, let's go.
Now, if I ever change it out, I want to be different than everybody else, so I'll probably put a diesel in it. But I'm hoping to get it painted this year and everything back on. Gotta do the engine first. and mask everything up. Then get ready to paint the body.
The engine gets a bit polished.
Paint.
What are you doing out here?
Alright, get back to what we were doing. Alright.